We love you so much. Thank you so much for being here tonight. We'll keep coming back if you'll keep having us back. We love you, Köln. And look, I know we played you a few new ones tonight and you've been very gracious. But we've made this record that we really love. Comes out in February, on the 13th of February. It's called Prize Fighter. And this is a song we wanted to close with tonight. It's called A Conversation with My Son, Gangsters and Angels. Whatever could have made you so sure of yourself. Whispers in a ruined heart, the leaves that sang to no sound. There's no flowers growing in the place where we are at. The kids and their question, it'll keep you up all night. Who am I waiting from the fire with no flames on my face? He comes and sits beside me and asks me, what is this place? I get higher and higher, the lower I go, and this outside world with a knife at its throat, we're all tumblers and days. Your mother and I will show you gangsters and angels, darling, come and see the cross of the machine. It's always the same choice, the best I ever met. Had nothing, gave it all away. Gotta be rude and shame and dying on dread. The love you crooked name with your crooked heart. I am waiting with my hand over your heart. Reach across again, here's where heaven starts. I'm waiting till the end with my hand over your heart.